Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to record on a low-end PC or a laptop. So let's get straight into it. Okay, in the bottom right, go to settings, go to output, make sure your output mode is advanced, go to recording tab, and set your encoder to x264. Now x264 is the CPU encoding, and I found it works better than GPU on laptops. Alright, in the rate control, set this to CRF, and leave everything here default except for the CPU usage preset. Set that to ultra fast. This will make sure you'll get the best performance and that it won't lag down your computer. Click apply to apply the settings, and that's it for this tab. Now the next most important tab is video. Now here you can control the resolution of your video. Okay, so the settings in here will affect your performance the most. Now make sure you set your base canvas resolution to the highest one you can set, but the important one is output resolution. This is the resolution that is going to be recorded in your video. So if you set this to a lower value, the video will have less quality, but it will greatly improve your recording performance. I would recommend starting with 1280 by 720. If it can handle that, maybe go up. If it can't, if it overloads, for example, you can always go down. Now for the downscale filter, I found that bilinear or bicubic works just fine. It's not that blurry. Set your FPS to 30, unless you have a gaming laptop or something where you can set this to 60. That's it for this tab. Now, if your computer is really struggling with recording, you can go to advanced tab and set the process priority to high. This may make your games perform slower, but it could make the recording faster. So click apply to apply your settings, and that's it. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.